Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.5. Let's take a closer look at the ETF's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 37.92% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 5 days ago. This translates to an average return of 7.58% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 45.26% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 94.89% to negative 45.26%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 55.51%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 100% and negative 21.46% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $14.80. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF price up 1.29% on Wednesday. The SOXL ETF price gained 1.29% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, rising from $18.60 to $18.84. It has now gained for 6 consecutive days. It is not common for an ETF to achieve such a streak, and minor declines should be anticipated. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 5.07%, with a low of $18.43 and a high of $19.37. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, and has increased by 54.93% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 32 million shares, totaling 175 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.29 billion. It's important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices can signal divergence and may indicate potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $7.23. Currently, the price is 73.12% or $51.24 below the 52-week high, and 95.02% or $359.40 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The recent surge in SOXL, a leveraged exchange-traded fund focused on the semiconductor sector, is fueled by a truce in United States-China trade relations, which has boosted investor confidence. On the 13th of May, reports highlighted SOXL among the top performers benefiting from this thaw in trade, contributing to a bullish sentiment around technology stocks. These developments follow a series of positive indicators from late April, where tariff concerns began to subside, leading to a market rebound that favored leveraged exchange-traded funds. The semiconductor industry has traditionally been on the front line of trade tensions, but the latest news from Taiwan indicates collaborative efforts with the United States to stabilize the sector. The heightened interest in leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL reflects a growing belief in the recovery of semiconductor stocks, especially as analysts note that key companies such as Nvidia and Texas Instruments may be undervalued, showing favorable price-to-earnings growth ratios. In the short term, this optimism can drive SOXL's stock price upward as investors seek amplified gains from the anticipated market recovery. In the long term, if these conditions persist, including continued collaboration on tariffs and favorable technology valuations, SOXL may solidify its gains, making it an attractive option for those willing to embrace market volatility. As the market evolves, monitoring these developments will be crucial for anticipating SOXL's trajectory moving forward. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a favorable forecast for the fund. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between the two signals, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $15.46 and $12.74. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, it has risen 128.36%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the fund should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal 26 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal 102 days ago. Short-term Moving Average. Buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term Moving Average. Buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 194 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $18.60, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval reflected in the Bollinger Band, this ETF is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $0.94 between its high and low, or 5.07%. Throughout the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 6.52%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $19.24. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $18.60. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.32, reflecting a decline of 2.76%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very high daily fluctuations, which poses a significant risk. The 14-day Relative Strength Index stands at 87, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there's a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 15th of May, we expect SOXL to open higher by approximately 0.38 and start trading at $18.88. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.